In this problem, this central angle is 260, and the arc, this very big major arc, is 38.5 centimeters. Find the radius. There are two different ways. Let's start on the left side. The arc length is a fraction of the entire circumference. That is, the length of this blue arc is a fraction of the length of the entire arc, the circumference. And the fraction that it is will always be the central angle measure that corresponds to this arc divided by 360, that fraction of the whole circumference. Alright, so how many degrees is the central angle that corresponds with this arc of 38.5? It's 260. And the arc is actually 38.5, so we can put 38.5 on the left side of the equation. So that's the setup, and for circumference we have two different formulas we can use. That it's pi times diameter, or since the diameter is 2 radii, it's pi times 2 radii. Since we're looking for the radius, we're going to use that one. So this fraction is this decimal using our calculator. The circumference is 2 times pi times radius. Radius is what we're looking for. So now we just need to solve for r.
2 minutes, baby.
Okay, so now when we divide the left side and right side by 0.72 times 2 pi, all that's left on the right is r. And on the left side, make sure you can do this in your calculator. 38.5 divided by 0.72 repeating times 2 pi. But if you do that in your calculator, you either have to, well, I would recommend you use parentheses. And the radius is about 8.48 centimeters. Okay, so there's another way we can do this problem. Sure, we can write a proportion. Think part over whole equals part over a whole. On the left side, the part and whole will be the internal angle. So for this arc, the part central angle is 260, and the whole central angle is doing a full revolution of 360. So the part 260 divided by a whole revolution 360, and that's equal to our part arc, which is 38.5, over the whole arc, which is circumference. Part over whole for central angles equals part over whole for the length on the edge of the circle. And when you solve this, we'll get the exact same answer. Cross multiplying, using our calculator wisely, r will be about 8.48 centimeters. And 260 times 2 times pi is about this number, and it's all multiplied by r. And this product is 13,860. So when we divide both sides by the 1633.628, we'll have r all by itself is approximately equal to, and we should get the exact same thing, about 8.48. All right, so you only need to be able to do it one way or the other. They're essentially equivalent, so whatever you feel more comfortable with. And if you need to, go ahead and rewind and watch the video again.